for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and saw our progress from start to finish on this flip. It's been an awesome journey, but I'm really happy with the outcome.
Yep, I thought we did a good job. Kate did a great job of picking out the scheme of the wall colors, the floors, and how all the bronze or the rough bronze came together. So it came out pretty well.
Yeah, I'm happy with the design, and you guys did a great job actually bringing it to life, so I appreciate all the help.
So with that, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit the like button.
Smash that like button.
Smash it.